What's up, guys? Welcome to this video where we are going to be discussing the Amazon Champion product launch. Okay, so this is a very important step to growing and building a successful Amazon FBA business. And if you don't do each of the steps laid out for you in this PDF, it's going to be very difficult to rank your product and to start selling your product. Okay, so let's dive into the PDF. And as you guys can see, I put together literally step by step every single detail that you guys need before you start the product launch, and also each individual step of after you do these 6 things. Okay, so that's very important that you've accomplished these 6 things before you move on to getting reviews, doing your PPC campaigns, the Amazon giveaway, and setting up your Amazon mailer account. Okay, so you need to make sure that you've set up your seller account, that you've found a high demand, low competition, and profitable product that is different and unique compared to your competition. So that's a very important step. You got the product approved and listed on Amazon Seller Central, so it wasn't a restricted product or it wasn't in a gated category. Number 4, you ordered the product with the required labels. And along with that, you created an effective and optimized product listing and description with product photos. Okay, so you cannot take any shortcuts. And once you've done that, you've created the shipping plan to get it shipped directly to the Amazon Fulfillment Center. You cannot take any shortcuts. Please do not skip any of these steps. And if you've missed one of these steps, go back and watch the modules before this module and just take the time to really perfect everything, because if you don't optimize your listing, if you don't have professional product pictures, it's going to be very difficult to get customers to look at your product and buy over your competition. Okay, so that's why I put that in there. It's very crucial that you do these 6 steps before launching. Okay, so now we're into the Champion product launch. There's 4 things. One of them is optional, but I'm going to basically, after this video, there's going to be a video on each step and how to get reviews, how to set up your PPC campaigns, how to do Amazon giveaways. That's within Amazon Seller Central, so I don't recommend using, for example, like Viral Launch or JumpSend or PageOneify to rank your products. Now, you may have to if you picked a really competitive product, but if you did the proper research, you do not need to use third-party services. As I just stated, you can rank your products by getting reviews, PPC campaigns, and then setting up your automated email sequence. Okay, so those are the 4 steps, and in the next video I'm going to basically break down how to get reviews, talking about verified reviews, and then the video after that we'll talk about PPC campaigns, then giveaways, and then we'll talk about how to set up your Amazon mailer account. So we will see you in that video.